1031 exchanges. A lot of people don't really understand how to do them, but I want to give you one quick tip on if you want to do one into purchasing a vacation property, how you could do that. So if you have a rental and you no longer want to be a landlord, but let's say that you are considering being a snowbird here in the next like 5 to 10 years. If you sold your rental right now and you did a 1031 exchange, and this is something that you have to decide from the beginning. You can't sell the house and then decide to do a 1031 exchange. It all has to be done up front because the money can never actually touch your hands. So you sell your rental, and then you decide to do a 1031 exchange, and then you sell it, the money goes into escrow. You then have, I believe it's 45 or 60 days to find your new property. So let's say you want to go to Palm Springs, you want to go to Scottsdale, whatever it is. You do need to rent out that property because you have to go from investment property to investment property. So you have to rent it out for at least 2 years, or at least plan on renting it out. So let's say you're going to get rid of your yucky investment house, whatever, in an area that you don't like. You can buy your lovely dream new vacation house. You do rent it out for a couple years, so now it's an investment to investment, but as long as you've been rented out for a couple years, you can now use that as your new snowbird property, and you now have just saved taxes and you have your dream vacation property. Hope that helps.